Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am filming my final last minute Christmas gift guide. It's actually going to be my last video pre-Christmas as well. I'm very excited to have a little bit of time off. I have taken December largely off anyway because I find that on YouTube, Vlogmas just takes over. And I've just been feeling really uninspired. I kind of felt like this for a while. I feel like I am closer to knowing what I want to do on here. I've just kind of enjoyed having a little bit of time off to explore that, I guess. I'm probably going to film a few videos before the end of the year, but I'm really hoping to change up my content a little bit next year. Today I'm filming a last minute gift guide. It's going to have a few stocking fillers and then just some other gifts that kind of arrived a little bit later. I will link everything down below. And I guess this is kind of like a new in video as well as a gift guide because it's just kind of items that have arrived recently and which I think would be great gifts. I will also say that it is largely beauty. I'm not sure if it's all beauty, but it's definitely largely beauty, and I'm not going to spend too much time talking about each individual item. I'm just going to kind of show you, talk about it briefly and move on because there's a lot to get through. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this little set from Sanctuary. Again, I always love Sanctuary. I've said this many times before. I think they're great gifts. This one here is the mini body treats. It has a body scrub, a body wash, a bath soak and a body lotion as well. These are just really affordable and just great little gifts. Even for someone that you don't know that well, I still think these work really well. Although not the most glamorous thing ever, I think useful stocking fillers are always great. And so I think something like razor from Gillette, for example, this is Rose Gold Extra Smooth Sensitive. Great stocking filler, especially if it's someone that doesn't have a razor at the moment. I just think great. Even for a man, you can definitely buy a Gillette for them. So from Glory have this little buff and butter set. This is only £5 and it's part of the 3 for 2 in Boots as well. The Body Shop has all kinds of little stocking fillers and all really well priced. For example, these are really affordable. They're little loofahs, but they are Christmas themed, which I think are really cute. They have little duos like this one, which is a body butter and a body wash as well. The classic body cream from the Body Shop. These just always smell amazing. This one is in the scent Festive Berry. They do really cute little hand creams and even little bars of soap. These come in paper packaging as well, which I really like, and they just smell delicious. This again is Festive Berry, really affordable. Love these. Even if you wanted to, you could buy a few stocking fillers or a few and put them in a box and gift them as a bigger gift, although Body Shop does do kind of sets pre-made. From Botanics, again, this is part of the 3 for 2 in Boots. They have little sets. For example, this is the Hydrating Essentials. This one is a super balm and a nail file. Comes in a cute little tin. It's a little glass nail file, which is great, and this one here is £8.50. I really feel that soaps are kind of having a moment at the moment. Maybe it's because of the current world climate, I'm not sure. This one is from Skin Alchemist. Honestly, I love this soap. It smells like licorice, which is delicious. It looks really cool. Packaging is fully paper, which I really like. Another brand I love is L'Occitane. I must say that it's a bit disappointing that the soap comes in plastic, but I do really like the look of this, and it looks super like luxe and I guess retro. I really do quite like this. And then if you're looking for a kind of a more unique brand, there's a brand called Beauty Cubes, which sell solid products. Again, a bit disappointing that they're wrapped in plastic, but they have a solid cleanser, a solid face mask and a solid exfoliator. Haven't tried these, really looking forward to doing so because I really want to explore solid, more eco-friendly products over the next year. Again, not wild about the plastic around it, but I still like the idea of it, and it's still definitely less packaging than a normal product. Now onto the slightly more expensive gifts. They are largely women's, but I wanted to just kind of slide this in here because this is the Herrera Bad Boy, and honestly my boyfriend does not need a new fragrance at all, but I really like this. It's probably one of my favourite recent scents. I just think the packaging is beautiful, and just more importantly, oh, I think I sprayed that in my tea. I'm unsure. It just smells so good. It is kind of like a slightly generic fragrance scent, but it's good. I love this. I think most, especially younger men, would really enjoy this. They do the women's Good Girl as well, but I think this is probably the highlight for me, although I do really like Good Girl. Honestly, big fan of the whole range. This is something that's totally new to me, but I'm so interested in it. I don't even think it was the brand that sent me it. I think another brand sent it along with their product. There's fake snow in here. It didn't come with the product, it was in the package. Anyway, this is the Mantra, what is this? Healthy Hairbrush. I am so intrigued by this. I've heard really good things of brushes like this. I haven't had a chance to try this one yet, but I'm really looking forward to doing so. It does look a little bit like a dog brush, I can't lie. Probably shouldn't be brushing out my hair, but I'm really looking forward to trying this. It's just really cool, and for anyone that loves their hair, I think this one's great, especially because it's supposed to be a little bit better for your hair than a standard hairbrush. A brand I just absolutely love is Living Proof. Like, I really like this brand. I was just thinking that I really need to replace my Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's just one of my favourite hair products. And I also love the dry shampoo, which is called the Perfect Hair Day. This is a little set which includes a travel dry shampoo and a full-size one. Just great product that I'm personally going to be keeping, and if I didn't already have it, I would love to have seen this under the Christmas tree, because just a great classic that I definitely use and love. And it is expensive for dry shampoo, so that's why I think it's just a great gift. If you are looking for skincare gifts, I really like this one from Origins. It's a little bit cheaper in terms of the amount of products you get than some of their other gifts, but you do get a couple of like really good sized products. For example, you get a full size super spot remover, which I think is a great product if you have skin issues. You get a very good sized ginseng moisturizer, and then the other products are actually like deluxe samples. Really great. You basically have a whole skincare routine in here. I just think it's a great gift for anyone that is after skincare this Christmas. This is super luxe, and I'm not gonna lie, it is quite expensive for what it is, but if you are looking for a really luxurious gift, potentially for someone that's a little bit older in my opinion, but I don't think it has to be, Margaret Dabbs has these really beautifully packaged foot creams. Essentially, this is the Pure Gold Elixir for the feet. Just beautiful. Again, it is pricey, but you are getting 200ml, which is pretty good. It just looks bougie and beautiful. I just think it's stunning. It's really heavy as well. It like feels expensive. Aveda is just a lovely brand, and they have loads of different gift sets. If I'm honest, this one here is the Softening Hair and Body Trio, and if you have a little look inside, there is a shampoo, conditioner, and then also a little body lotion. Really like this. Again, it's not the cheapest brand, so I think it's a great brand when it comes to gifting, because it's just nice to have a luxury everyday product like shampoo, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this, and I'm really looking forward to using this. It wouldn't be Christmas without me talking about L'Occitane. Just always a huge fan. This is the L'Occitane Body Care Almond Smoothing and Firming set, which looks like this. And then if we open it inside, I mean, it's just always beautiful. I'm just a huge L'Occitane fan. But you get a body oil, a little bar of soap, a body cream, and a hand cream. This is in the classic like almond scent. Love it. Great little set. But even if you do want something slightly more affordable from L'Occitane, they have other smaller sets. For example, this is my Sweet Essentials set, and inside comes a really cute little tin Christmas tree. Basically smaller versions of what you received in the other set. So there is a smaller shower oil, a smaller body cream, and then a really sweet little hand cream as well. And it's super Christmassy and just a really lovely set. If you're looking for something more makeup related, I really like this set from Stila. This is the Kitten Bliss Eye and Lip set. Stila Kitten is a really popular colour. Inside you get a eyeshadow, a lip gloss, and also like an eye glitter. I've got an eye glitter on today. It's not actually this one, but I really like an eye glitter, especially at Christmas time. I always think that like luxury skincare items are a great gift. So something like the Elizabeth Arden Hyaluronic Acid pods are great. I have a set which I've actually been using, but I'll show you. This is the set I've been using, but you can get them in slightly smaller ones as well. Really great. Or pretty much for any age, I would say. They're a little bit on the expensive side, so they're a great little luxury gift. Another brand that I really like is Polar. They're a little bit more affordable, but they do great, quite simple skincare. So I have a night cream here, and then this here is a day cream. They're very French and just lovely. Really cute. Going to kind of throw a weird one in there, I spotted this from Easy Locks, which is the Jordan Woods ponytail, and I just think this is so cool. It's really great quality. Again, obviously it's for a very specific person, because I couldn't give this to like my mum or someone like that, but I definitely have friends that would think this is such a cool gift. It's literally a fake ponytail. You like clip it in around your own ponytail, and it's just super cool. And especially for anyone that likes to have fun with their hair, I just think it's a really great fun little gift. Another great hair gift is this one from Schwarzkopf. It's the Got To Be Tangle Teaser collab. Inside there is a volumizing styling powder, a huge hairspray, and then a really cute little gold tangle teaser as well, and then the bag. So really love this. Finally, probably the item I'm going to light after I finish this video is the Beauty Pie candle in oh, I can't. Revers Des, I just can't. Like, actually, I usually don't think my French is like the worst thing in the world, but I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to not pronounce it. It is beautiful to look at. It's just the most stunning green but still slightly transparent vessel, and it really smells fresh and like quite Mediterranean, if I'm completely honest. Like, it reminds me of Portugal, which isn't in the Mediterranean, but you get what I mean. Oh, I really like this, and I just think their candles are stunning. They are relatively affordable for a candle as well, and they're just really great, substantial, heavy candles. For me, it smells of basil, but it says here that it smells of fresh mint oil, eucalyptus, lemon, tea, basil, and crisp green leaves blended with ginger. It smells like just deliciousness. I actually think this would be a nice kitchen fragrance as well, and I rarely think there's nice kitchen fragrances. I'm actually really tempted to buy some more of the Beauty Pie candles, because this one does look just stunning for the price. This is from Emma Hardy, a really lovely skincare brand. This is the luxury collection, which actually supports Look Good Feel Better, which is just a fabulous charity. And inside here you get a Moringa cleansing balm, which honestly I haven't had for quite a long time. You get a little bag. Inside you get a revitalizing cream, you get a cleansing balm, a cleansing cloth, a face oil, and then the little travel bag. I just think this is lovely. I'll show you how big the cleansing balm is. It's a decent size, 50ml. I haven't had this in years, and I'm very excited to have it back in my life because I have missed it, if I'm completely honest. It's a great cleansing balm if, like me, you love cleansing balms. I really like gifting Pixie. I think it's a brand that a lot of people really love. So this is a glow tonic, a glow mud cleanser, and then the glow mask in a little set. I love this. And equally, I really like this one, which is the multi-toning. This has a milky tonic, a glow tonic, and a retinol tonic. Just great, a great little skincare set. This is a really lovely fragrance from Laboratorio Olfativo. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but look how luxe and lovely that is. I mean, honestly, I think this is probably supposed to have like church vibes, and it definitely does. It kind of smells like, I mean, you're not going to know what I'm talking about unless you've been to church, but like incense. I went to a Catholic convent school, so this smells like school to me. It is nice, I do like it. Also, then Yardley have some great little fragrances. They do men's and women's fragrances. These are the limited edition ones to celebrate their 250 years of fine fragrance. They're 100ml, and they are like relatively affordable. I think Yardley is a great brand if you are looking for affordable gifts. My last brand I'm just going to quickly slip in here is Only Curls. They do loads of different hair accessory bits, but I really liked this. They have some really cute little clips as well. This is just a comb. This actually comb would work for, I think, like almost any hair type. So big fan of this. It just looks really cool, and they have lots of other bits that look really cool as well, and are practical too, but they look cool, which is why I was drawn to them, and I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll link everything down below. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you all have a lovely Christmas. It's just been announced that, especially in London, we're going to have to spend Christmas in our own household, which actually we were planning to do anyway. It kind of just like, it reiterates that we don't really have a choice. We were kind of like oohing and ahhing as to whether we weren't going to spend it by ourselves, but obviously now we are. I mean, it'll definitely be a different Christmas, but hopefully next year, fingers crossed, we'll be able to have a far more normal Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my gift guides. I know some of them were a little bit long. I hope you managed to get some tips from them. I shall be back probably maybe in like a week or so now, I think. Maybe a little bit longer, I'm unsure. I don't think I'm going to do what I got for Christmas. I just don't think this year is the right year for that. And I don't think that's something I'm going to do going forward. I don't think. Maybe I'll put up some of my interesting gifts on Instagram or something like that. I'm going to come back with a books video, an empties video, and I've got a few other ideas, but it depends what I actually get around to filming. But thanks so much for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.